Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you to think about and create your own creative goals for 2025 as I chat through mine with you. This year, I'd like to focus more time on creativity, growth, and self-care. And I'd love for you to join me on this journey. So let's dive in. My first goal is to paint 2 artworks every month. This is to try and encourage me to stay consistent and build a stronger portfolio of art. But as life is very busy, I want to be realistic with my goals. So 2 artworks per month is a good number for me, and it's just something to aim for right now, and it's perfectly fine if I can't reach that every month. I'll also schedule time to share my progress with you on this channel so we can celebrate our creative wins together. And goal number 2, learning and growing my skills in painting children's fantasy book characters. This year, I'm planning on trying to dedicate a bit of time to learning and practicing how to paint children's fantasy book characters. My focus will be on creating whimsical, fun, and cute designs for my book that children can fall in love with. I've already started collecting references and inspiration, and I'll be diving into how-tos and practicing character design and sharing my progress, tips, and challenges with you here on this channel. And goal number 3 is writing and illustrating a children's early reader book. I'll start with the character designs, like I've just mentioned, and then move on to the setting. I've got tons of story ideas, and I'll be trying to share my journey of creating all of that here, from storyboarding and character development to designing pages and finalizing the illustrations. I'm excited about the process, so if that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. And if you're working on a big creative project yourself this year, then let me know in the comments so we can cheer each other on. Goal number 4 is focusing more on self-care to support creativity. And finally, I'd like to try and remember to focus on self-care. As an artist and creative person, it's important for us to take care of our mental and emotional well-being, not pushing ourselves too hard, leading ourselves into burnout, as well as being realistic and kind to ourselves about our goals and achievements. So this year, I'd like to prioritize rest, mindfulness, gratitude, and healthy routines to keep my creativity flowing. Some ways I'll try and do this include taking regular breaks when needed to avoid burnout, not pushing myself too hard, and setting boundaries around my creative adventures as well as the rest of my life. I'd like to focus on gratitude on a daily basis, as life is busy and difficult for lots of us regularly, so taking a moment or 2 each day to think of things that we're grateful for is a healthy way to slow ourselves down and focus on the good in our lives. And I'll be sharing tips and practices that work for me in self-care on this channel. So those are my 2025 art and creative goals: painting 2 artworks a month, learning to create fantasy children's book characters, as well as continuing creating fantasy artwork, writing and illustrating an early reader children's book, and trying to focus more on self-care. I hope this inspires you to set your own creative goals for the year. Let me know in the comments what you're working on and if you have any tips for staying on track. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for being part of my creative journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!